Well, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. I got a good one for you today. Before I get started, go ahead and like the video. Hit the like button. I really would appreciate it. It helps that algorithm. Shows the video to a lot of people. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Consider subscribing to the channel. This channel's about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Folks, I found something big, that everyone can be successful with this system by following a few simple steps. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action. Send It Academy, paid to write letters. It's absolutely incredible. You learn how to write to billion-dollar corporations, and they pay you to write these letters. These letters are only 2 sentences. That's it. On a small index card. If you can write 2 sentences on an index card that looks like this, and I have and mail it off. Here's some of my letters that are going out. I've got about 40 or 50 letters right here going out. I write about 20 a day. Do the math. It's $5 per letter. Folks, anybody can simply make $100 a day with Send It Academy. It is real. I've been in for about 4 or 5 months. I hadn't done a video on it yet. I wanted to make sure that everything that they were saying was incredibly true, and then I wanted to introduce it to my community. So, folks, this is my first video of many I'll be doing with Send It Academy. Well, what is it, Send It Academy? It is a letter writing course that teaches you how to simply write these 2 sentences on the index card. Teaches who to write to and what it will take to get $5 deposited into your account, and then you're able to convert that and pump out $5 per letter. It's incredible, folks. Very excited about it. We have a vibrant Facebook group over here, our Send It Academy Facebook group, with success story after success story after success story in our Facebook group. Somebody just did a conversion there, and people are getting what they call drops. Look at this, what they're getting here. Just incredible Facebook group. I'm not going to focus on the Facebook group here. I'm going to focus on what is it. One of the most remarkable aspects of this work from home opportunity is how easy it is. Anybody can plug in, take a few action steps, and win. There is no recruiting necessary. I have not even started recruiting. You can if you want to. That's a separate stream of income. But if you can write a letter, you can make money, and a lot of it, with Send It Academy. You don't have to be a professional writer. You simply need to follow simple instructions, and it's just that simple. Here is a simplified version of the process. Number one, you're going to write the letter based on the instructions provided. Number 2, you're going to mail the letter. Folks, this is powerful. You write the letter, you mail it, earn $5 for each completed letter. Folks, can you write 2 sentences on an index card? If you can say yes, you can write as much as you want, as least as you want. It is straightforward as that. Whether you're writing from your kitchen table, your favorite cozy corner, this opportunity allows you to work from home at your pace. Here are some of the testimonials. We'll go through this in another video of success stories. People having unlimited success. But Facebook is just every day. People are raving reviews on what Send It Academy can and will do for you. And here are some of the conversions and through some of the online platforms. And we teach you how to get this. Look, somebody just had a redemption right there. All you do is come over here, create a free account. It'll take you to a place like this. And this is how it will look. It will say, can you really earn extra cash from home mailing letters? Watch this video. I'm going to put a link below this video. It's going to bring you this video, and it's going to show you basically how Send It Academy is working. The comp plan and the presentation. It is just that powerful. You can get started right here. You can see what's possible, and you can get a chance to see a full presentation. I encourage you to click the link below, learn about Send It Academy. We have everything that you need. to be successful in your letter writing process. But again, when you opt into the site, it's going to take you to my capture page, which is going to take you to this page here. It's going to take you to this page here. You're going to watch real quick a comp plan 4-minute video and see what's possible. And here you can see a full presentation. I am getting paid consistently from the platform where I am being able to be partnered with the online platforms. Send It Academy pays us far as affiliate commissions, but who we write to, the online platforms are whom we're getting paid per letter. Absolutely powerful. Watch the video. It explained everything to you. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me below the video. And we have a helpful community. It helps get you started. Let's look quickly at a piece of a video, and then I'll be off.
I sit down, I write, and I know exactly how much I'm going to make. Anything else from the comp plan, if you're sharing it, is just icing on the cake to me, because you know you can sit down and write as much as you need or as little as you want, and it's going to pay you. So, guys, you know, I hate the term, so cliche, but it is a no-brainer. If you need extra money or you want extra money, this is going to work for you.
So I just wanted to let you know that it's a really, really great comp plan. It's super generous. We get paid 4 different ways. We make a $100 Fast Start bonus for every direct referral, $5 per month for every direct referral, 50 cents for everybody who ends up in our matrix, and a 50% check matching bonus on our direct referrals. So we get paid 4 different ways, which is just crazy. And then we get paid twice a month, and we're always paid on time, which is super important. I'm actually in a couple of different matrix style companies, and this is definitely the most generous and just provides a lot of opportunity and a great way for everybody to make money.
So last year in December 2023, we could not even afford to give $40 to our church. A week later, we got approached about this opportunity, and we started sharing. We saw the vision immediately. We're like, if this works, it's gonna change our life. Well, it did. So 4 months later, we've been able to do multiple vacations, not stressed financially while we're on vacation. I'm actually just got checked.
Folks, take this program, write your letters. The sky's the limit as to how many you can write. There is no limit to the amount of money. If you need $50 a day, $60 a day, $70 a day, write your letters, folks. It is go time with Send It Academy.
Particularly, I'm at a piece of paper. I just got done walleye fishing. Opening day, didn't have to ask the boss. I literally just went and fished. I actually just bought my girlfriend a ring that I never thought I'd ever be able to afford. So soon she's gonna be my wife because of Send It as well.
There you have it. If you want to change your life as well.
Just absolutely incredible. We have an affiliate program that's totally optional. But when you get a chance, click the link below. Watch these videos. Opt in, watch the videos, and join Send It Academy today. $5 for each letter, each handwritten letter. Super simple. I am doing 20 a day, and I am on a roll. I've been writing for several months now, consistently getting paid like clockwork. It is a no-brainer, folks. All right, that's my time for today. I'll bring you some more information about Send It Academy in my next video.